All right, so the completing the square, whoa, sorry guys. Completing or complete the square is a method or a process of finding the constant to add to x squared plus bx to create a perfect square trinomial. So if we think back to that last example we did, we had something times itself right here so that we could get that. What if we found a way to add something every time to make that true? So the rule here is if we do x squared plus whatever this is, we always add b divided by 2 quantity squared. And when that factors, because that will always factor nicely, it will factor as x plus b, b over 2 squared. Okay. So let's look at that with numbers, because I know with all these letters that's a little confusing. All right. So if we want to write this in the form of x plus p squared, first thing we're going to do is move the constant over to the other side. Okay, constant being 5. And then to both sides, remember I wrote on that last one, we add b over 2 quantity squared. So in this example, b is 8. So I'm going to add 8 divided by 2 quantity squared. And what I add to the, so going back to our basic things about equations, what I add to one side of an equation, I have to add to the other. So add 8 divided by 2 squared to the other side. Okay, let's simplify that. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 4 squared is 16. So I'm really just adding 16 to both sides. Why? Because 16 minus 5 is 11 here. And now this factor, so if I think about what multiplies to get 16, but adds to get 8, well, that's 4 and 4. So x plus 4 times x plus 4 is how that factors. Or in this case, x plus 4 quantity squared. Okay. B is actually just asking, what is the form? Here's the form. If you want to challenge yourself and try to solve for x like we did in the previous video, feel free, but we have done what we need to do here. So the big idea that you need to kind of memorize is b divided by 2 squared is our special thing. So meet me at the next video to look at some more examples.